In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to hide videos on your iPhone. To hide the videos on your iPhone, it's very simple and basic to do. The first thing you want to do, you want to go to the photo section or video section on your iPhone. So let's tap on the photos. So once you tap on the photos, it will load up your videos and photos for you on your iPhone. What you want to do here, you want to find the video you want to hide. So once you get the video you want to hide, you want to tap and hold on that video for just 1 second. So let's say we want to hide this video. I'm just going to tap and hold on it for just 1 second. So once you tap and hold on it for just 1 second, it will bring out this little tiny interface for you. On this interface, you want to tap on hide. So let's tap on hide. So once you tap on hide, it will ask you like a confirmation page. Are you sure you really want to hide this video? If yes, you want to tap on hide video again. So once you tap on hide video again, the video will be taken to your hidden section on your phone. So to now check or see your hidden videos, this is where you can get them. You want to scroll down on this page. You want to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you are going to see under utilities. I say it again, under utilities, you are going to see hidden section. So you just want to tap on that hidden. Once you tap on the hidden, to ask you to put in your Face ID or your passcode and your videos or everything that you've been hidden will be shown to you. So guys, this is how you can actually hide any video on your device. Thanks for watching.